Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this week's setup is quite new because I'm not in Chennai, I'm at my hometown, and I'm just trying to make the best out of it with whatever I'm having. So one new thing is, see, this is a new mat which I bought. This is actually a BMW, and see, because a lot of people are are telling me that the older BMW mat was a bit distracting. So because it has a lot of colors and everything. So when I used the PlayStation mat, people started to say, that that is a very good one because that was an older mat which I was using way too back. So I bought this one from Amazon. I think somewhere around 400 rupees or so. And if you guys are wondering where I bought it, so I told this. So now I don't have the track to do the roll test, but rest everything I have, like to buy the car and to do rest of things, everything I have. So only thing for roll test, I'm just relying on this. Whatever this, uh, you know, that is a fast tag holder actually. So I'm just keeping that there. So back then we used to do roll test, something like this only. After that only I got a track. So this coming 2 weeks is it is going to be like this only. So with this setup, so this is my some of my Spider-Man collections which I have in my native place. This I bought way too long. Somewhere between 2015 to 2020 around that time. So this is my very first Spider-Man figure. So this is the Pizza Spidey. So a lot of people are going nuts over this nowadays because it is not easy to procure this. So I bought this for a very good price. Actually, back then I think somewhere around 1,500 or so. So I think I bought it for MRB. So I bought it somewhere around 2015 or 2016. So that is the very first one which I bought, action figure I bought. So I meant to do a video on that. So you can see a lot of Spider-Man here. So if you guys are a Spider-Man fan, or if you want to have, if you want to see the unboxing videos of these things, put it in the comments. I will be doing videos of this. Is just like somewhere around the 40% of my collection, because the rest everything, the major things are at my home in Chennai. So I will be doing unboxing of all these things. So with that said, this week we are going to start with Hot Wheels Premium. So if you guys remember, I showed the Porsche, the Cyberpunk version. So but I didn't post that yet because I actually planned to do a premium week. So I kept it for this week. Let me start with this one. So this is the 71 Porsche 911, and so as far as I know, this and the Cyberpunk version both are same casting, if I'm not wrong. The only difference is being the paint job. So even I need to cross check that once, because right now I don't have that Cyberpunk version with me because that is in Chennai. So here is the BMW M5, and I bought actually three from this particular set. So I'm not a big fan of that uh, Back to the Future's time machine version. So I didn't buy that. I never even watched that particular movie. So I don't want to buy again and again the same thing. So I didn't buy that. So I bought this one, 2016 Ford GT Race slash Course. And I do like this particular livery. It looked really nice. And this one being a Lamborghini fan, I was really happy to get this one. So I know this is based on some actual real life cars livery. So not only the car but the livery as well. So I'm really happy that I got a full metal version of Huracan. And last but not least, this is a new brand which I'm going to unbox in our channel, which is this one. So this is the car tuned. I think, see, one of the guy actually put a sale in Facebook. No one actually, it was like a auction he was doing. So no one actually mentioned anything. So I actually bought this from him. So this is from the Series 3. It actually has this many cars. This one looks really good. This car would looks really nice. But unfortunately I was able to get this one only because this is the only thing he was selling at that time. So I bought this. So we will be unboxing these cars along with the Porsche Cyberpunk version, which I will be posting that this week. So stay tuned guys, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.